So welcome, this is a worksheet or past paper questions based on circle theorems. So let us try to solve the questions. The first question, ABCD are points on the circumference of a circle. Angle ABD is 54, BAC is 28. Find angle ACD. We know that ACD and ABD are angles in the same segment. So this also will be equals to 54 degrees. The reason is you're going to write angles in the same segment are equal. Angles in the same segment are equal. Next, question number 2. A, B, C, D are points of the circumference of a circle. O, angle AOC is 168. Work out the size of the angle ADC. If AOC is 168, angle ABC will be 168 upon 2. Angle ABC equals to 168 upon 2, which is equals to 84 degrees. Why it will be 168 upon 2 and 84 degrees? The reason is angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Angle at center is twice the angle at circumference. Now that's 84. Now we know that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So these two angles, when you add it up, it will be 180 degrees. So angle ADC plus angle ABC will be equals to 180 degrees. So angle ADC plus 84 equals to 180. So angle ADC is 180 minus 84, which is nothing but how much? 96 degrees. The reason, what are you going to write it out? Sum of opposite angles in cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Question number 3. ABD are points on the circumference of a circle. Center O. BOD is the diameter. BC and AC are the tangents to the circle. Angle OCB is 34. Give the signs of the angle DOA. So we know that this particular angle at A will be 90 degrees. At B also it will be 90 degrees. So angle CBO will be equals to 90 degrees because radius and tangent radius and tangent meet at 90 degrees on the circumference. So next, angle BOC. What will be angle BOC? BOC, this will be equals to 180 minus 90 minus 34, which is equals to nothing but how much? 180 minus 124, which is 56 degrees. And reason, what are you going to write it out? Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Next, angle DOA. If that is 56 degrees, then this particular angle AOC also will be 56 degrees. Now angle DOA will be 180 minus 56 minus 56. So 180 minus 56 minus 56, which is nothing but what? 68 degrees. That's going to be the answer. Question number 4. B and C are the points on a circle. AB and AC are the tangents to the circle. Angle BOC equals to 130 degrees. So BOC, join BOC, that is 130 degrees. So when I'm going to divide that one into two equal parts, each one will become 65 degrees and 65 degrees. And we know that angle between the radius and tangent is 90 degrees. So what is he asking? Angle BAO. So angle BAO will be 180 minus 90 minus 65, which is going to be 25 degrees. Question number 5. A and B are the points of the circumference of a circle at center O. PA and PB are the tangents to the circle. Angle APB is 86. Work out the angle measured by X. So we will be considering this quadrilateral over here. PAOB is a quadrilateral. Then this angle between radius and tangent is 90. Radius and tangent is going to be 90 degrees. So I am going to calculate angle AOB. So angle AOB equals to 360, because it's a quadrilateral. Sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360. Minus 86 minus 90 minus 90, which is going to be nothing but what? 94. Now, if that small angle is x, the other angle also will become x, because if radius and radius are equal, so OA equals to OB. So angle OBA will be equals to angle OAB will be equals to x. And just now we got the angle at O is 94. So sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So 94 plus x equals to 180. In which triangle? In triangle OAB. So 2x equals to 180 minus 94. 2x equals to 86. X equals to 43. Question number 6. R and S are 2 points on the circle at center O. TS is a tangent to the circle. Angle RST equals to x. Prove that ROS equals to 2x. So we have to prove that ROS equals to 2x. So we know that this is the radius and this is the tangent. Angle between the radius and the tangent is going to be 90 degrees. So the remaining angle will be 90 minus x. So I can say that the remaining angle has to be 90 minus x. So I erase this line for a moment. So the remaining angle becomes 90 minus x. If that is 90 minus x, this angle also becomes 90 minus x. And this angle is y. So sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So what am I going to write? Y plus 90 minus x plus 90 minus x equals to 180. So 180 gets cancelled on both sides. Y minus 2x equals to 0. So y equals to 2x. So angle ROS equals to 2x. That is what has been asked us to prove. Question number 7. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. A and C are the points of the circumference of the circle. BCO is the straight line. AB is 8. OA is 6 centimeters. Explain why OAB is a right angle triangle. Because what we can say that tangent and radius meet at 90 degrees on the circumference of a circle. Calculate the length of BC. So it's going to be a right angle triangle. So I draw a right angle triangle over there. So when I'm trying to draw a right angle triangle over there, this is 8, this is 6, O, B, A. So Pythagoras theorem, OB square equals to 6 square plus 8 square, which is 36 plus 64, which is 100. So OB equals to square root of 100, which is nothing but what? 10 centimeters. OB is 10 centimeters. But I require it out BC. So we see that this total is 10 centimeters. So this particular part is radius of the circle 6 centimeters. So BC equals to 10 minus 6, which is 4 centimeters is going to be the answer. Question number 8. ABCD are points on a circle with center O. BC equals to CD. Angle BCD equals to 130 degrees. Write down the angle BAD. So angle BAD will be equals to, so we know that it is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of opposite angles is going to be 180 degrees. So 130 plus angle BAD equals to 180 degrees. So angle BAD equals to 180 minus 130, which is nothing but what? 50 degrees. The reason is sum of opposite angles in cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Part B, work out your answer for ODC. He's asking us to find it out, the angle ODC. So now angle BOD. So first of all, what am I going to find it out? Angle BOD. So because this is 50 degrees, so angle BOD will be 50 times 2, 100. So angle BOD equals to 2 times of angle BAD, which is 2 times of 50 degrees, so which is 100 degrees. The reason is angle at the center. Angle at the center is twice the angle at circumference. So we got that one. Now we know that OBCD is a kite. OBCD is going to be a kite. So what am I going to write? OBCD is a kite, and angle OBC will be equals to angle ODC. Angle OBC over here will be equals to angle ODC. In a kite, those two angles will be the same. So let those two angles be X and X. So what does that becomes? 360. Sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360. 360 minus 100 minus 130 minus should be equal minus 2x should be equals to 0, or else what can I write? I can write as 100 plus 130 plus x equals to 360. So 2x equals to 360 minus 230. So 2x equals to 130, x equals to 65 degrees. Coming to question number 9. He's asking work out the value of x. X will be equals to 70 times 2, 140, because angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Next, give your reason. The reason is angle at the center is twice the angle at circumference. Work out angle Y. Now we know it's a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of opposite angles is going to be 180 degrees. So 70 plus y equals to 180, y equals to 110 degrees. The reason is sum of opposite angles in cyclic quadrilateral. Q dot means cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. That is a formula that we are going to use it, or the reason. Next, question number 10. The diagram shows a circle with center O. ABC are the points on the circumference. DCO is a straight line. DA is a tangent. Angle ADO is 36. Find the angle AOD. So we know that angle OAD equals to 90 degrees because angle between the radius and the tangent is 90 degrees. So angle AOD will be equals to 180 minus 90 minus 36. Sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So based on that, it is 54 degrees. Find the angle ABC. Angle ABC will be half of, what is this, 54, which is 27 degrees. The reason is, again, angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So this is the reason that I'm going to write it out. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Question number 11. BDE are points on the circle. ABC is a tangent. BE is the diameter. DBE is 35. Find the angle ABD. So we know that angle between the radius and the tangent is 90 degrees. So this angle has to be 90 minus 60, 35, which is going to be nothing but how much? 55. And the reason is sum of what is this? Angle between radius and tangent is 90 degrees at point of contact. Find the angle DEB giving your answer. So angle BDE equals to 90. Why angle BDE equals to 90? Because angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So the reason, what am I going to write it out? Angle in a semicircle. So what is DBE? DEB. DEB is what? Sum of all angles in a triangle. 180, 90 and 35. So it will be 180 minus 90 minus 35, which is going to be 55 degrees. That's going to be the answer. Question number 12. P, Q and T are points on the circumference of a circle. Center O. The line ATP is a tangent to the circle at T. PQ equals to PT or TQ. Angle ATP equals to 58. Calculate the size of the angle OTQ. Give a reason for each stage in your working. For each stage we have to give a reason. So what am I going to write it out? I am going to write it as angle TQR equals to 58 degrees. This angle equals to this angle, so it will be also equals to 58 degrees. The reason is alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem. Now, so let's write over here 58. So let this be x and x. So 58 plus x equals to 180, because sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So what do I get it out? 2x equals to 122. So x equals to nothing but how much? 61 degrees. That's going to be the answer. Next, I want angle OTQ. So this particular angle is 61 degrees. So basically what is being asked? Angle OTQ. Angle OTQ means he's been asking it out this small angle. So we know that this total angle is 90 degrees. Angle between the radius and tangent is 90 degrees. Then if at all I do in this way, So what am I doing? This side I draw. This angle is 98 degrees. 90 minus 58 is nothing but what? 22. But we know that this total angle is 61. So 61 minus 22 is nothing but what? 39. So my answer is going to be 39. But we have to write all the steps for that. So how do I write the steps for that? So we write it out. Angle OTQ. OTQ equals to 61 minus angle OTP. So which is 90. Angle OTP will be equals to 90 minus 58, which is 22. So therefore angle OTQ will be equals to 61 minus 22, which is 39 degrees. Question number 13. Give the angle DEF. DEF equals to nothing but how much? 65 degrees. The reason is angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So we have done over here. So we copy this. So angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Now part B, work out the size of the angle x naught. So if that is 85, 85 double is nothing but what? 85 times 2, 85 times 2, which is equals to nothing but what? 170. The reason again, angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Question number 14. Work out the angle marked in X. So we are going to do PTO. Step by step, angle PTO equals to 90 degrees. So angle between tangent and radius. Tangent and radius meet at 90 degrees on the circumference. Next, angle POT. So angle POT equals to 180 minus 90 minus 32, which is 180 minus 122, which is nothing but how much? 58 degrees. The reason is sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Next, angle TOS. 180 minus 58, which is equals to what? 122 degrees. Because what am I going to write? Angle in a straight line. Then triangle OTS is isosceles. So what else has been given? OS equals to OT. If OS equals to OT, angle OST equals to angle STO. So which is 122 plus 2x should be equals to 180. So 2x equals to 180 minus 122. So 2x equals to 58. X equals to 29. That's going to be the answer. X is 29 is the final answer. So that completes the paper. See you in the next video. Bye.